Somebody watching this video right now is about to win a free 511 Rush 72-hour backpack. And you're not only going to win just a bag, there'll also be some more gear and items that I'll go over later in this video. Now this ain't some little teeny tiny school backpack either. I'm talking about a serious prepper bag. A bag that you can carry your gear, your sustainment, your survival setup, your get home equipment, and maybe even half of your garage if you pack like some of us do. But here's the deal. This giveaway isn't just about the backpack. It's about saying thank you to every single one of you that has supported this channel, watched the videos, shared the videos, commented, subscribed, and helped me build the Patriot Prepper community. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Kelly and you're watching Patriot Prepper. Today's video is going to be fun because one of you is walking away with this, a 511 Rush 72. And Sunday the 17th, I'll be announcing the winner. And honestly, this thing is a beast. So I wanted to do this video because the time we made our 1,500 subscribers, I didn't have the bag in yet. So I just want to do this video so I could actually see the bag that we're actually giving away. Now, if you know prepping, you already know that the 511 Rush series has been around forever. These bags have built their reputation in the prepping world, military, law enforcement world, travel world, because they work. They're tough, they hold a ton of gear, and they're designed for people that actually use their equipment. This isn't one of those bargain bin backpacks where the zippers explode after 2 trips to Walmart. I bought this bag with my own money, $150, plus I added in some more goodies, some more items in here, just to even sweeten the pot. This thing is built for abuse, all right? You know how preppers are. We say that we're gonna carry a few things, then somehow we end up with 3 flashlights, 2 radios, 4 knives, poncho, water filters, 900-foot paracord, some beef jerky, batteries, 7 big lighters, a tarp, trauma kit, night vision, and enough snacks to survive a small apocalypse. And somehow we still think, man, I need a bigger bag. Serious guys, I want to take a minute and genuinely thank you. Right? This channel has grown because of you. Every view, every comment, every like, every single one of y'all that takes time out of your day to hang out with me here on the Patriot Prepper channel. And we built something pretty awesome. We built a community of people that actually care about being prepared. People that think ahead, people that refuse to be helpless. And honestly, in today's world, that mindset matters. So let's talk about the bag for a minute, all right? Like I say, this is the 511 Rush 72. This bag, man, is perfect for bug out bags, get home bags, travel, range gear, emergency kits, vehicle setups, hurricane preps, camping, or if you just want to carry way too much gear, right? You've got Molly, I'm talking about everywhere on this thing. I mean, even the bottom has it, right? Front, all the sides with big pockets, compression straps. This does have hydration. This does have for your hydration bladder and enough pockets to organize all your gear. I mean, for 3 days, you know. The compartments are big. Then you have this little area. This is gonna be something where you're gonna pack something, maybe a poncho, something like that, easy to get to. Another hidden pocket there. Another zipper. These zippers, man, they feel super tough. The fabric. This is This pack, I mean, it does have a little weight to it. So this does have an internal frame. Just look at them shoulder straps. That is about a 1/2 inch thick of padding, right? It's pretty much almost like my Rush 100. Same way down here. Good padding, right? Good padding on the back, and it got these grooves so it helps you evaporate your sweat. Let's go here to the main compartment. I mean, look at that. Look at all that real estate, all that room. Yep. Here's some of those goodies I was telling y'all about. Look, man, I got y'all What If Scenario book from Off Grid. Look, stickers. Who don't like stickers, right? We even got custom stickers. Patriot Prepper. Look, man, we got fire kit, knife, survival bracelet, flashlight, EDC flashlight, and you can pull somebody over. I wouldn't recommend that. It is a rechargeable flashlight, and I'm probably going to be even putting some more gear in here. Right now it's over about $230 worth of gear right now in here. But man, this bag is built to last. It's Ranger Green. So, you know what's funny is, like, we're talking about how big this bag is. Every prepper has that moment where you realize, uh-oh, I actually don't have enough room for my stuff, right? Maybe it's hurricane season, maybe it's for a power outage, or maybe a road trip. Maybe it's an emergency. And then suddenly you're stuffing gear into grocery bags, all right? That's when a good bag matters, all right? That's why a good bag matters. All right, so if y'all haven't already entered to win, all right, so here's how to enter. If you haven't already did it already, 1, you gotta be subscribed to the channel, all right? 2, like this video, drop a comment below that says enter to win, and tell me what bag you're currently running, all right? Whether it's a bug out bag, get home bag, tell me what type it is, right? I mean, is it a backpack from 1997 held together with duct tape and hope? I just wanna hear from y'all. So guys, I truly do appreciate every single one of y'all. This channel keeps on growing. This community keeps on growing, but we're just getting started. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Drop your comment below, enter to win, and maybe this bag ends up at your house. Stay prepared, stay alert, and remember, those who prepare today survive tomorrow. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.